Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do one on quick, easy, simple, but yet cute and fun hairstyles for second, third, and fourth day hair for those days that you are wanting to style your hair, but you don't want to put heat on it and you don't want to put a lot of time into it. So I have 3 really cute hairstyles picked out for you guys, and I'm going to show you step by step on just how to achieve them. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and hit that button down below so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also, don't forget to hit that little bell on the side so that you get notified when I upload. If you want to see what hairstyles that I have created, let's just go ahead and jump right in.
Alright, starting off, I'm going to take my back brush, and I like to take about inch sections, and I will back brush those and combine them all together just to kind of help give me some volume and be able to smooth it later on. Alright, now that I have finished back brushing everything that I want, I am just going to go through and pull a couple pieces down around my face just to kind of add some detail. And then I'm just pulling everything else up into a ponytail and taking that same back brush from earlier and just smoothing it all out. So now I am just kind of smoothing everything into place and pulling that ponytail up, because for this look I really want a high pony with lots of volume. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little elastic and I'm just going to loop that around my ponytail a few times. Once my ponytail's in place, I just want to give it a nice little tug just to help get that ponytail up and feathered out. And so now I'm just taking that same back brush from earlier, but I'm taking the opposite end of it and I'm just kind of fluffing up that front half that we had back brushed earlier just to give me some nice volume. And now I'm just going through my ponytail and back brushing a few pieces just to kind of give it some texture and to make it nice and big and feathered out. Alright, and next I'm taking Matrix Texture Builder and I'm just kind of spraying this all over just to give my ponytail some nice texture. Alright, and that completes the first look, which is just this nice high texturized ponytail. Alright, for my second look, I'm just going to start off the same exact way, just going through and back combing those front pieces just to give me volume and to smooth my hair out. Alright, so I went ahead and put it in a ponytail like the last look, but I'm just taking my back brush and I'm going through and really back brushing a lot of pieces throughout this ponytail to make it very feathery and piecey. And then I'm just going to take my texture builder again and spray all throughout just to give that ponytail a nice grit to be able to make a bun out of. Alright, so I just twisted my hair around into a bun, and then I'm taking a small elastic and twisting around just a couple times. And then I'm just going to kind of move that bun around and pull a couple pieces out and just get it to how I want it. And then once I have it in the position and the style that I want, I'm just going to take some bobby pins and pin it to my head just to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere throughout the day. Alright, so I'm just taking that back brush again and I'm just going through and smoothing a few areas and pulling a couple pieces out in the front just to give me some volume. Alright, so that completes this cute, messy top bun look while leaving your nice curls down and without any heat at all. Alright, and for my last look, I'm just going through and back brushing that top half again because I am clearly all about the volume in the front. And then I'm just going to take all my hair and I'm going to pull it up into a pretty high ponytail. And I'm just going to take that back brush again and just go through and brush it up and smooth out any areas that need to be smoothed. Next, I'm just going to take my hair tie and go ahead and twist that around a few times to create my ponytail. And now I'm just going to go through and kind of move the ponytail around and fluff it out a little bit. So I'm going to take my back brush again and just kind of pull out some of those pieces in the front to give myself some volume and smooth the sides down. And then I don't want to see that thick hair tie, so I'm just going to take a piece from my ponytail and just wrap it around that hair tie a few times. And then I will secure it with a bobby pin. Alright, and then I just want my ponytail to be a little bit more piecey and feathery, so I'm just going to take my back brush and just go through and back brush some of those pieces. Alright you guys, so that completes the third look, which is just this cute, high, messy ponytail.
Alright you guys, so that is it for this easy hairstyle video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you plan on trying any of these hairstyles, just let me know down in the comments below, or let me know which style was your favorite. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!